Sagar,
Hmm.
I got periods.
Periods? It's 7 days again. Don't you women ever stop being dramatic?
What is there about drama? I'm feeling so much pain actually.
When don't you feel pain? This is your usual drama. You go and work quietly. Go. Listen,
Yes.
if you want to come out, you stay in the room. Don't come out.
What are you saying this? In worship we both have to sit together.
No, there's no need of that. The Havan will be without you. It would be better for you if you don't come out. Because I don't want the Havan to be incomplete because of you. So it would be better if you stay in the room.
What are you saying?
I told you once, don't come out means don't come out. Understood? Oh man, this guy is too much. Whatever he says.
Sagar, I'm not able to do work. I won't be able to prepare food. You order for yourself.
Man, Pooja, you are so delicate. You are the one who cooks daily. Listen carefully. You will be cooking today as well. My mom has never done all this drama. That I won't cook, I won't do this, I won't do that. Even after all this, she used to cook. But you don't know. It's different.
I'm feeling pain, so what can I do in this? I'm not feeling good with this.
Oh, Pooja, you are overreacting. It's been so many years since you got married. You should get used to everything now. Go and cook quietly. Go! Pooja, I'm going to the party. Go and cook.
I'm also coming with you, na?
You are going as well? Have you gone mad? Sit at home quietly.
But Sagar, we were about to go and party together, na?
What happened? Do I have to make you sit in the car and ruin my seat? And anyway, you don't have to do this drama in front of me. Okay? Just stay at home quietly. If I take you out, it will be my fault. You will say there, I'm in pain, go home quickly, and all these things. So you don't have to do this drama in front of me. And as far as all this concerned, my mother has never said all these things. You don't know what is happening.
You are feeling it dramas? I'm doing dramas, huh? Do you even realize how much pain I feel? These 3-4 days are so difficult for me. Do you know about heart attack? I feel pain like that only. And I don't know how much. What were you saying? Your mother. She must not be feeling pain. She must not have told you this. If she would have told you, na, she won't be getting anything. You or father-in-law won't be even listening to her. Nor you would be helping her. Like you're scolding me, na? You would be scolding her as well. No one would be there to understand her. Sagar, these are just saying that in today's time periods are so normal. Every single person talks about periods. But its pain is not normal. The pain we used to face earlier, still we used to face that pain. And your mother must be feeling that. It's just that she doesn't told because there was no one to listen her, Sagar. I'm doing all the work now. You don't say me like this that go Pooja, rest now. You have done so much work. You are not feeling well. You always taunt me, yaar.
Pooja, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Actually, I never saw all this, so I didn't know. But I'm also so crazy. My parents got me married. I should know this much that when my wife has a problem like periods, I should understand her. I should take care of her. But my thinking, just like old times, that nothing like this happens, these are all dramas. No, I was wrong. Pooja, from now on, I promise you, I will take care of you. Whenever you have a problem, I will take care of everything.
Sagar, I know. Whatever you've seen, you've learned this. Because during mother, no one used to talk openly about it. But I'm just making you understand. I'm just telling you that it's paining. So why don't you understand? Why you feel that I'm doing dramas? I will do all the work, Sagar.
Okay, please stop it. And please forgive me. And I'm not going to any party. You said I'll make food for you. and a nice healthy juice.
But that.
I told you, just you go sit. I'll be back soon, okay? Go.